إِنَّ اللَّهَ اشْتَرَىٰ مِنَ الْمُؤْمِنِينَ أَنفُسَهُمْ وَأَمْوَالَهُمْ بِأَنَّ لَهُمُ الْجَنَّةَ. This ayah I have been quoting many times, but now you have the text. Now fix your gaze on each and every word. إِنَّ اللَّهَ اشْتَرَىٰ. Verily, Allah has already purchased. مِنَ الْمُؤْمِنِينَ. From the true believers. أَمْوَالَهُمْ وَأَنفُسَهُمْ. أَنفُسَهُمْ وَأَمْوَالَهُم. Their lives and their property, their belongings. If you are a true mu'min, you have already sold out yourself along with your belongings, total belongings. You are already sold. You know, the wordings Quran uses, I said, the common words which everybody can understand. هَلْ أَدُلُّكُمْ عَلَىٰ تِجَارَةٍ تُنْجِيكُمْ مِنْ عَذَابٍ أَلِيمٍ. Tijara, everybody knows. Contract, muahada, misaq, it becomes a difficult word. Tijara, everybody knows. Bay' shara, everybody knows. إِنَّ اللَّهَ اشْتَرَىٰ مِنَ الْمُؤْمِنِينَ أَنفُسَهُمْ وَأَمْوَالَهُمْ بِأَنَّ لَهُمُ الْجَنَّةَ. In return for Jannah. The price is Jannah. It will be paid in the hereafter. You have to spend everything here. يُقَاتِلُونَ فِي سَبِيلِ اللَّهِ. Now on the basis of this, now they have to go to war for the cause of Allah. When one person goes to war, he is risking his life, he is ready to give his life. What to speak of wealth or property? Property is always less dear to a person than his own life. يُقَاتِلُونَ فِي سَبِيلِ اللَّهِ فَيَقْتُلُونَ وَيُقْتَلُونَ. They are killing the enemies of Allah and they are being killed also. They are laying down their lives also. فَاسْتَبْشِرُوا بِبَيْعِكُمُ الَّذِي بَايَعْتُمْ بِهِ. Now these are the words which I want that everybody of you, amongst you, should focus on, gaze and eyes. فَاسْتَبْشِرُوا, rejoice. How profitable bargain you have struck. فَاسْتَبْشِرُوا بِبَيْعِكُمُ الَّذِي بَايَعْتُمْ بِهِ. Rejoice on this bargain that you have concluded. وَذَلِكَ هُوَ الْفَوْزُ الْعَظِيمُ.